Well, in my opinion, we have about 30 to 45 days. That's the window to where a lot of big teams are going to be created. And it could be you. I joined Save Club about 35, 36 days ago because I joined during the pre-launch. Now, we launched off the rocket pad June 1st. Today is June 4th. So 4 days in. Now, I've got about 100 people signed up right now, and I should have a couple hundred more, and then my team's going to multiply 2, 3, 4 people, and it's just going to be a nice organic increase of people just joining Save Club one at a time. And that might be you. Because right now, for you to figure out, I want to make money online. I found something that I think I can do, Save Club, where I'm going to just invite people to watch a short little video where they can save money on things they're already buying, but for $60 they can also earn money. That's a real darn good thing. Okay, I've been doing this a little over 2 years. I've got multiple incomes online, and when one comes around that makes sense and people want it, it's in demand, it's affordable, and it has an affiliate opportunity where all you got to do is just invite people to watch a video and you're done. Whew, that's a home run, kid. You really, really need to get serious about joining now, because in the next 30 to 45 days, thousands of people are going to join. Not only per week, it's going to get to the point where it's per day. Because my group of 100 people, if they go sign up just one person, there's a couple hundred. And wonder if those couple hundred people sign up another one person. All right, 2 times 4, what, 400? My group alone could go thousands and thousands worldwide. All right? And you need to be in the mix. You need to get into the matrix. But you got to do it now. A lot of people are kind of waiting around. I had a guy the other day. Well, I saw this about a month ago, and well, I got $60, and well, I'll probably do it. I'm like, oh my gosh, man, you're 35 days. You could have joined when I did, but that's okay. I'm going to do everything I can to bring you up to speed. We have not free coffee. We don't have free donuts, but you know what? We do have free pictures for you to use, and banners and graphics and things you can put on your Facebook page, or videos as well, the short ones, where if you want to do like a 15-second one about vacation, travel, getting your tires changed, like a discount tire, we have tons of video already. It's already made. It's just waiting for you. So if you join for $60, that's what it is. It's $19.97 a month. You can figure out how to go in the back office, go to My Deals, search around all day, all night, get as many deals and save as much money as you can. I've saved about 900 and some odd bucks the first 30. Today is day number 36. I've made about $1,000 a week. That's my average. Although when I get Friday's pay, it's going to go way, way up. So on top of that, I have a funnel system that'll help you. It's only $25. You don't have to do it. But if you think you're going to get stuck, or you're by yourself, or you join someone that doesn't really help you, so to speak, then you know what? If you join my funnel for $25, we're going to let you into two of our very powerful Facebook pages, to where you can meet other people worldwide. We share way more information about how to market and how to build. And the people that run our website, the group that I'm in, they've already succeeded in life and other businesses online. There's no guesswork. This is what you do June of 2025 to get people to look at your link, to click, to join. You need to find people that want to make money online, but then also want to save money. So it's a win-win. I never thought I'd be good at this. 35 days ago, I was not looking to join Save Club. I'm in Live Good. You can see all my products on my fridge there, and I have multiple streams of income, so I'm perfectly happy right now. I was ready just to have a good summer, work on my tan, screw off a little bit, produce some car shows, and have fun doing some other things I got going on. But I could not deny that this is one badass opportunity. But I need you to join now. I don't want to have to feel bad like if you join in a month or two. Okay, don't miss the initial rush. Okay, let me just show you what I do. Okay, look on your screen. I love Save Club. saveclubfunnels.com and saveclubfunnels.com. Will you just click both of those links? The I Love Save Club, this is what you get for $60. Go ahead and watch this video. It's our founder. Fill this form out, hit the orange button. You're going to get an email from Save Club. And if you want to join, just follow the instructions, get your username, password, join by the month, join by the year. If you pay for the year in advance, you're VIP and you make way more commissions. I'm just telling you that straight up, but it's up to your budget. But first thing I want you to do is just go in your back office, and this is what it looks like. And go to the training tab right there. Look at this little guy playing with himself here with his right hand, and then hit this red, is that, well, I guess it's orange. Hit marketing materials. Click it. All these folders are for you waiting. For that $60, every single folder that says, see it says 5/2, that means May 20th of 2025. May 17th, we just released a whole other batch of videos and pictures, banners. They're included with the $60. They are for you to just use. Go crazy. Upload like a machine. Oh, I don't know how to make pictures. Don't worry about it. You got hundreds right there. Oh, I don't know how to do video. Don't worry about it. You got a whole bunch right there. Just learn how to upload video to TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Those are the big three. But also go to Twitter or X. Go to, what is it called, Threads. There's a lot of places. There's a lot of places. So don't say that you're out of ideas. And if you join my funnel system, you're going to be able to meet a lot of other people that are brand new. A lot of nice people out there. You're going to definitely have more friends by next year if you join Save Club. I can guarantee you that. There's some really nice people worldwide that you might not meet them in person, but it's fun to chat. Very social. I love saveclub.com. saveclubfunnels.com. It's only $25. You don't have to join my group in Save Club. If you've already joined, but you're stuck and you don't have any support, then go to Save Club Funnels. Just remember there's an S. Save Club Funnels. You're going to go, let me show you right there. This is what it looks like. Put your email in and then hit show me the video. Click it, and I want you to watch this 20-minute video about Save Club. It goes way more into detail about Save Club. I get a lot more people joining me right now by them watching that video that's kind of pulsating right there, boom, 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 like a heartbeat. Watch it. If you want to join, remember it's $60 to get your website so you can earn money, $19.97 a month. Now, if you've already joined Save Club, then get the new funnel. Hit the $25 red button. Watch this little video one more time just to make sure you want the funnel, and then click right here, join. And then this is where you can use Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. Then I want you to get our team training, because this is where we have even more video and pictures and support. You're going to get invites to our invite-only Facebook team. All right? It's nice to get two different teams that can show you different marketing ways and techniques and just advice and gossip. Hey, what's the latest? How are you doing on Facebook? What do you recommend I do on Instagram? Should I do a short video, a long video? Well, you know what my answer is? Do everything. You can't mess up. Save Club is so new. And when people realize they can save money on things they're already buying, and they can also get paid like an influencer, holy crap. And when they see my story, God, I'm making $1,000 a week. I've saved $900. My funnel system is paying me $20 a funnel. And right now I've made about an extra $900, and that is recurring. So every month, if people are using the funnel, I get $20 per person. I can see myself having probably 100 people using just the funnel. This is what I'm showing you. You're going to have this exact funnel, and you can switch it. It's easy. You can Save Club Funnel Builder. You can make that yellow, pink. You can rewrite this. But I recommend just leave it. Okay? See how it goes. And you can always screw around with the website, but the funnel is designed to work. And you know what? All I can say is that it's working for me. I've had it about a couple weeks. And for me to make an extra $900 and have like 30, 40, 50 people sign up with the funnel, and it's increasing their chance of kicking ass in Save Club, boy, that's a win-win-win. So just remember, when you sign up, go through your back office and do the membership thing. You know, you can either join by the year, by the month. Go ahead and hit earnings right there, my earnings, and set up how you want to get paid every Friday. And then, of course, go to the training. And it's this tab right here. Okay. All right. Well, guys, let me go ahead and pop up my business cards right there. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. You can see my email is Cory@CoryDraper.com. I'm not shy. I'll help you out. You don't even have to be in my group. I'll help you. And if you see me on Facebook, you can inbox me there too. All right, guys, that is it. Okay, I got my coffee done. I'm going to make me some nice coffee. And you guys have a kick-ass day. I know you will. Okay, take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.